Straighten it out. Straighten the wheel to the right. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, little T.
What are you doing?
Driving the car.
Yeah?
Uh-oh, a hill.
You'll be fine.
Oh, let's see that hill. You're doing good. You just want to get it to the hill and put it on the brake.
Ease the brake. Just
Ease the
light
brake. There we go.
Go left a little. Just a little. Yeah, there you go. Good. Nice job. Very confident on the brake there. Let's go down to the first, way down to the end. We'll go down to the first station. You've done this before, so. Right?
So, little T, your birthday's on the 22nd, right? In May? How old are you going to be?
8.
Oh, 8.
Daddy, we have low fuel.
No, don't listen to that. It's broken.
You're already
Get some gas there.
He's going to be 8, and he's a better driver than me.
What do I do? Park us into
We'll
the...
park over by station, on the left by station 1 down here, so keep driving.
So, park behind it?
You can park to the, just pull up to the left here maybe. So to the left, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Okay, put it in B. Turn the key off. Give me the key.
Good job. Good job.
There you go.
Hey, little T,
Yeah.
give me a thumbs up. There we